All I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. Oh.
Well, hello, darlings, and welcome back to another video. My name is DarlingrAnita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today is another unboxing. Unboxing the Delta box. Yes, I did get my box for the month of March, and I am so excited to unbox this. Now, I thought that the box was gonna come late because, you know, we've been having some challenges, but I think it's coming along. They done fixed the issue, and I'm so very, very excited. So let's go ahead and unbox the Delta box. Now, again, like I said, this is for the month of March, and I love this. Now, I didn't notice this before, but it has this little strip that you can open the box easily. And child, I still can't open this box. Give me a minute. Okay, there you go. All right, so this is gonna make it easier to open the box. And I have my glasses because, you know, I can't be seeing them little words. Okay, so let's see. Of course, you know it has the Delta box that is inside of the box. The Delta box. Okay, so it's kind of light. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what is in here. Of course, you got the paper, your shipping information, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah, it's a clear bag. Yes. Now, I'm going to tell you that this is something, because here in Memphis, going to a lot of the events here in Memphis requires that you have to have a clear bag. And if you can see, I have started purchasing a lot of clear bags. Some over there, a lot of clear bags, so I won't have that issue when I do go to the events. And this is going to be perfect for me to carry, especially when I wear something red, or even what I have on now. Don't you think that look good? And then what it does, it has the our seal on it, and of course this is like cloth. It has the red and white stripes on the front, is also on the back, and also on the handle. So this is the first gift in here, but it also has a dusty bag that you can put on here so it won't mess up your bag. Now the second thing, oh, what is this? You know I love surprises, honey. I love them, love them, love them. Let's see what's in this. It looks like, I don't want to assume, I just want to see what it is. Now, everything in my bag, it is a medium. Now, this is for spring. I know this box got to be. Okay, what is this? It's a raincoat. Okay. So this is what is in the Delta box. It is a bag and a nice raincoat. It has our Greek letters that is going down in the front. It does have a zipper, a little zipper, but this is not the kind that you can just zip on and cover up yourself. You got to put it over your head. And so this is perfect. And then it has a hood, and it has a little strap right here if you want to tighten this up. This is nice. Now, wait a minute now. It has this right here. Oh, you can open it this way. Okay. It has a zipper right on the side as well. And then it has a pocket. Okay. This is nice. Now, I think last year around about this time, I'm not for sure, that we did get we got a raincoat last time. Let me see, can I find it? Give me a minute. All right, so this is the raincoat we got last time. I don't know which month it was, but this one I love, but I am loving this one more. Yeah, so I have two raincoats, a white and this one that came in the box. Now this bag will go perfect with both of them. It goes more better with this white one, but it still can go with this red because of the red that is in here. But this is what, right here, this is what was in our box for the month of March. So let me read the card. That's why I put these glasses on, so I can read what's on the card. And it says March theme, making a splash this spring. And we already know it's springtime. A lot of rain. You know, we just got to keep our hair looking good, okay? So it says a Delta rain jacket and stadium tote. I told you, everything now requires you to have a clear tote. And this is going to be perfect to tote when you go to like a concert, a baseball game, a basketball game, whatsoever. Yes, girls, you did this. So this is what we got for this month. And I will have everything about this listed at the bottom for you. Now remember, the Delta box is not just for you. You can also give this to a new Sora, as well as to a Sora that is having an anniversary or a Delta anniversary, and give them the gift of Delta, because honey, you cannot go wrong with Delta, okay? So thank you for staying and looking at what I got for the month of March. If you do love these type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Until the next video, know that you are beautiful from your head to your toes, and know that you are loved. You're loved by me, but you're loved by a Delta girl. Ooh. See ya.